As visual creatives, we get how important your typography is to your unique branding. That's why Format has released the ability to add your own custom fonts to your website. Keep your designs and branding consistent across all platforms by adding custom fonts from Adobe or Google into the Format Design Editor. This feature is now available on Pro and Pro Plus plans. To add your custom font, go to the Design Editor, then Typography. In the Font Library options, you'll see a section called Custom Fonts. Then click the button titled Use Font Service. Use the search field for Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts. Once you've selected your font service, paste the embedded code for your fonts. For more on that, let's take you through finding the code in Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts. Google Fonts are free and can be found by going to fonts.google.com. Choose your desired font and then click the Specimen button. Click the Select button to choose the font style and weight you'd like to use for your website. Some fonts will have myriad options for styles within the font family. While you can carry over many fonts, it's recommended to select and copy only the font styles you'll be using for your site. Go to the right-hand panel for our selected family. Here you'll be able to see the embedded link for the font weights and styles you've selected. Click Copy to get the code. You're now ready to add these to your Format Design Editor. Adobe fonts are available with an Adobe subscription, and access to fonts comes standard with an Adobe Cloud account. To get your Adobe fonts, open your Adobe Creative Cloud app. Click on the F button to activate. Click on the Browse More Fonts or Browse Fonts button. Use tags to narrow down the list of available fonts. Once you've found your desired font, click the code symbol on the font preview. This looks like two arrows with a backslash in between. This will open up a window to allow you to add the fonts to a web project. Give your project a name or select from a list of existing projects. Make sure the font name and weight you've selected is checked off, then click Create. This will provide you with the CSS code for your fonts. Copy this code and you're ready to paste it into the Format Design Editor. We hope this video has been helpful. For more help building your Format website, go to format.com/help for our library of help articles and videos, or click on the chat icon where our 24/7 support team would be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Format.